Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we're talking about politics and the words people use to discuss it.
A useful topic, although political conversations can become heated very quickly.
Exactly. So we'll keep this lesson calm, clear, and friendly.
Good plan, because I came here to learn English, not start a debate.
Let's begin with democracy, a system where people choose their representatives.
People usually do that by voting in an election.
A person who wants to be elected is called a candidate.
And the work they do to win support is called a campaign.
During a campaign, candidates explain their policies and make promises.
A policy is an official plan for dealing with an issue.
For example, a party may have policies on housing, education, health, or tax.
A political party is a group of people with similar ideas about government.
The party with enough support may form the government.
The other major parties often become the opposition.
The opposition questions the government and offers different ideas.
So disagreement is part of the system, not always a personal fight.
Exactly. And a debate is a formal discussion where different sides present their views.
Sometimes it is informative, and sometimes everyone talks at once.
That sounds less like parliament and more like a family dinner.
Politics can definitely enter the room before dessert.
In Parliament, politicians discuss bills before they become laws.
A bill is a proposed law that still needs approval.
If most members support it, the bill may pass.
That support is called a majority, while the smaller group is the minority.
Sometimes, no party wins enough seats to govern alone.
Then, two or more parties may form a coalition.
Another useful word is budget, which explains how the government plans to collect and spend money.
People often watch the budget for changes to taxes, services, and benefits.
Public opinion means what people generally think about an issue.
Polls try to measure that opinion, although they aren't always perfect.
A referendum is a direct vote on one important national question.
Instead of choosing a candidate, voters choose between options on that question.
When discussing politics, it helps to say, "From my point of view," or "I see it differently."
Those phrases let you disagree without making the conversation uncomfortable.
Now, let's practice some useful political vocabulary in short, natural sentences.
Listen carefully, speak out loud, and keep your voice calm and confident.
I try to understand the policy before judging it.
Every citizen has the right to vote.
The candidate focused on housing and healthcare.
The campaign attracted a lot of public attention.
The government announced a new budget.
The opposition challenged the proposal.
Parliament will debate the bill next week.
The bill needs a majority to pass.
The parties formed a coalition government.
Public opinion can change very quickly.
The latest poll showed a close race.
The referendum asked one clear question.
I respect your view, but I see it differently.
Political debates should focus on ideas, not insults.
Good voters check the facts before making a decision.
Great work completing today's shadowing practice.
You have just used several important words for discussing politics.
Do not try to memorize everything at once.
Listen again and let the words become familiar naturally.
Speak out loud, even if your voice feels a little slow at first.
Each repetition will make your English clearer and more confident.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and enjoy your progress.
See you in the next lesson.